Welcome to our channel. So you had some files on your iPhone, which can be photos, videos, messages, documents, or even contacts. No matter what data you had, you deleted them permanently. Don't worry, iFindit is suitable for all iPhone. Whether you have the latest version of iPhone 15 or iPhone 11 or even earlier versions, your data will be easily recovered. Next, we will use iPhone 11 to demonstrate the operation for you. To get started, click Try it for free to download. Once downloaded, complete the installation process and open it. To recover deleted images or videos on your iPhone, open the iPhone Recovery tab. Connect your device and click on the Next button to start the process. Deselect all applications and choose the one to recover data. Then click Scan. It will take a few moments to start scanning your device. Enter your passcode to unlock your device and continue the process. If you have a large amount of data on your device, the scanning time will be longer, so please be patient. The success rate of data recovery is related to data loss, device environment, and frequency of use. During the data recovery, make sure your device stays connected. Once it analyzes the data, it will start scanning, so wait a few minutes to complete the process. And there you go. Finally, your deleted data will be scanned and you can recover it to your computer or restore it to your device. And that's it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.